Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the seed snail situation. These were planted on March 23rd, which was a Sunday, and today is March 17th. This is our growth of the sweet peas just after about 3 weeks. So we are going to put some of these in the ground because we've got some warmer temperatures, but they're cooler at night, but aren't freezing. So we're going to see how these guys will do. But yeah, look at this. These good old sweet peas, they're ready to, they are screaming to get out of this seed snail. So let's put these in the ground. Okay, so I've snipped the twine. We're gonna unroll this thing. This is the first time I've seen this. So these actual ones, I've watched videos, but this is the first time I've seen these unrolled. So let's see what we've got going here. I'm gonna try and keep them all in their distinctive separations because I don't want to rip any of their roots. If I can avoid it, I will. Like that one. And I'm doing this one-handed, so I apologize if it's kind of wonky. There we go. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I counted 10, but there's 11 actually here. So all I'm going to do with these is take them here and put them right up there. And they're going to climb this trellis, this cattle panel. And I don't think I'm going to put them all there. I think I'm going to keep some of them in. So I'm going to keep some of them in the seed snail. And I may even put more seeds in the snail because I would love to have more, and I would love to be able to sell some of these if anyone wants to buy them. So I'll already have started plants for them and some new started plants because I'm going to take some of these for myself. So hi Duke, how you doing, kitty kitty? I have kitties all over watching. So yeah, let's put these in the ground. This is why people love these. Look at that root structure, and it's all individually full length down to the bottom. There's another one. So now I'm going to attempt to re-roll this seed snail back up. I've got my twine, at least I've got some of it. There it is. I've got both of my twines. Let's see how this goes. And I'm going to add a little more dirt just because since I've taken some out, and if I want to put more seeds in here, we don't want to deprive the new stuff because we still have old stuff in here. So here we go. Wish me luck. I'm just covering some of these other roots up that are completely bare after that. All right. There's one. This is the wet one that was on the bottom. It's disgusting. But it still works. And it didn't fall apart like I think tape probably would have. There we go. Ta-da. Back together. Oh, don't forget this. So I know they're my sweet peas. There we go. Now we will just put it back into the bucket. Okay, so I've turned my flash on because we're starting to get really dark. Here's my bucket of water. Yes, it looks disgusting, but it's okay. These little drama llamas, my sweet peas are back in there. Here are the rainbow carrots. These need to get in the ground because I don't want to wait much longer because then I will be disturbing their roots. So that's going to happen this week. And then this is the sunflowers. These have not shown me any progress yet. I have been due diligent on keeping the tops moist, and I have not. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I take that back. We have a little baby sunflower. Happy birthday, buddy. That's the first one to pop out in here. There was nothing in here last night. Look at this guy. Hi. Yay. Okay. There we go. Took 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3 was yesterday for that to happen. So for the future, I would definitely recommend soaking your sunflower seeds if you want them to germinate quicker. Okay, we're starting to get really dark and I'm going to end this video. So 3 weeks for a sunflower to germinate and pop up through the soil. So if you want that to happen quicker, soak your seeds overnight, then plant them in a seed snail or in your soil and you'll be good to go. I was very diligent on keeping my top soil moist, and that is, I believe, what saved me there, because if they dry up, you're not going to get germination. So, yeah, there we go. We got some sweet peas in. I'm going to put some more seeds in. I think I'm going to go ahead and soak some sweet peas overnight before I put them in the seed snail, so they will germinate and I will be able to have plants quicker. But other than that, yeah, that's it. Seed snails for the win. Yay. They worked out great. So hopefully everyone enjoys this video. If you'll do like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. You guys be safe. Have a good day or night, because it's nighttime.